Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In a previous video, we talked about using the ADetailer extension and my custom-trained LoRA to swap faces in images using Automatic 1111. Today, we are diving into how to do the same thing, but this time in ComfyUI. Let's get started and see how it works there. First up, you need to have your LoRA trained specifically on headshots of the person you want to work with. The aim here is to use this LoRA to create a face that looks just like your model. Once you have that, you can swap this face onto anybody, taking your AI photography to the next level. Let's dive in how you can achieve this. Alright, next, we are going to need a couple of extra tools. Head over to ComfyUI and open up the ComfyUI Manager. Once you're there, click on the Install Custom Nodes button. Start by searching for Efficiency and install the Efficiency nodes. Next, look up Impact Pack and download the ComfyUI Impact Pack. After you've got both nodes installed, remember to restart ComfyUI to make sure everything is set up perfectly. Let's get this added and see how they enhance our project. Alright, now that we've got these custom nodes installed, let's start putting together our workflow. We are going to build a simple workflow to generate images using SDXL. Double-click to open the search bar. Type in EFF dot. Find the EFF dot loader XTXL and click on it. This efficient loader is super handy as it combines loading checkpoints, way, prompts, and setting the image size all in one spot. We are not done yet. We also need a key sampler to actually generate the images. Double-click to bring up the search bar again. Type EFF dot once more and choose Key Sampler SDXL, where you'll see EFF dot in parentheses. Now, connect these two nodes and set up your checkpoint, prompt, and other settings. Let's generate an image and check out how it turns out. Great. Now the image looks good. Let's move on to the face swap part. Double-click to open the search bar again. Type in Ultra and select Ultralistic Detector Provider. This module offers a range of models for detecting faces, hands, and human bodies. Choose bbox/FaceYOLO-V8M as the model name. This model uses a bounding box to detect the face, and is a bit bigger and more effective compared to other models for face detection. Just a quick note, bbox stands for bounding box. Next up, let's separate the detected faces from the bounding box using an image segmentation node. Double-click to open the search box. Type in SAM-Loader and select SAM-Loader. SAM here stands for Segment Anything, and interestingly, this extension is also available in Automatic 1111. It's an image segmentation model developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook. Make sure to choose the model that includes the letter H, as it's the biggest and most effective one they offer. Once that's set up, we need to move on to the actual face swapping. Double-click to open the search bar. Type in FaceDetailer and select FaceDetailer. Think of it as the ADetailer in Automatic 1111. This node will help us swap the faces smoothly. Having these 3 nodes is a great start, but it's not quite enough to get the FaceDetailer working the way we need. We want to make sure it can use different checkpoint prompts, and it also needs to be able to swap faces using our trained LoRA. So, let's add another efficient loader that supports SD 1.5 models to our setup. Now that we have all the nodes in place, it's time to connect them. For the face swapping, we need to use the image generated by the SDXL model. Connect the image output of the key sampler directly into the image input of FaceDetailer. Since FaceDetailer needs to use a separate checkpoint, connect the model output of the efficient loader to its input. We also connect the 2 nodes handling face detection and segmentation. Finally, let's get everything fine-tuned by setting up the checkpoint, LoRA, and the prompts required by the FaceDetailer. This will ensure that everything runs smoothly and integrates perfectly for an effective face swap. Let's swing over to the right side and check out the output ports of FaceDetailer. We'll start by dragging out the node to preview the image. Double-click the screen to open the search bar, type Convert, and choose Convert Mask to Image. Connect these 2 mask ports and then drag out another preview image node so we can see the processed face mask. Let's also pull out a preview image node from the image output of the key sampler in SDXL. Place it side by side with the preview image from the FaceDetailer. This way, we can visually compare the effect before and after the face swap. Next, go ahead and click the Q prompt button. OK. Now the image after the face swap is ready. What we are seeing here is the preview image of the mask used for the face swap. Let's compare the images before and after the face swap. We'll resize them a bit to get a better look. Take a moment to check out the changes. The result looks pretty good, doesn't it? If you run into any issue with the face swap, don't worry, we can easily tweak some settings in FaceDetailer to smooth things out. The feather option is similar to feathering a mask in Photoshop. If you notice any visible seams around the face, try increasing the feather. You can also adjust the B-box crop factor to make the crop area around the face bigger. If you need to slightly expand the area of the face swap, consider turning up settings like B-box dilation, SUM dilation, and SUM B-box expansion. Alright, that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like and follow for more tutorials like this one. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.